LittleBeeKidsStudio. The Magical Mermaid Tale of Barbie. Once upon a time, in the vibrant undersea world of Azurea, where the azure waters sparkled under the sunlight, lived Barbie, the enchanting mermaid. Her tail shimmered in shades of turquoise and lavender, reflecting the hues of the corals that adorned the ocean floor. But Barbie was no ordinary mermaid. She possessed a remarkable gift, the ability to communicate with sea creatures. On a sun-kissed day, while gliding through the coral reefs adorned with vibrant marine life, Barbie caught whispers of distress from a pod of dolphins. Their chattering voices echoed worry, speaking of a mysterious dark shadow that had enveloped the once lively ocean. Alarmed by this news, Barbie sought counsel from the revered elder of the seas, Grandpa Tidal, a wise old turtle with centuries of oceanic wisdom. "Grandpa Tidal, what plagues our beloved ocean? The sea creatures are troubled, and I feel a deep yearning to help," Barbie implored, her eyes reflecting genuine concern. With a somber yet determined gaze, Grandpa Tidal divulged that an enchanted sea pearl, the source of the ocean's magic and harmony, had been stolen. Without its presence, the sea creatures were losing their ability to communicate, and the vibrant colors of the underwater world were fading into an ominous gloom. Fueled by a resolute determination to restore harmony to Azurea, Barbie embarked on an arduous quest to find the stolen sea pearl. Her journey took her through the undulating seaweed forests, past the ornate coral castles, and into the labyrinthine depths of the ocean's caverns. Along this treacherous path, she encountered challenges that tested not only her courage but also her ingenuity and compassion. As she navigated the vast expanse of the ocean depths, Barbie encountered myriad sea creatures, each with their own unique tales and challenges. She encountered a group of shy seahorses trapped amidst the treacherous currents, a family of elusive angelfish seeking refuge from a prowling predator, and a colony of luminescent jellyfish struggling to illuminate the darkening waters. Driven by empathy and her innate ability to connect with the denizens of the sea, Barbie extended her hand in friendship. She rescued the seahorses by guiding them to a tranquil cove shielded from the currents, devised a clever distraction to safeguard the angelfish family, and discovered a natural algal bloom that revitalized the fading glow of the jellyfish. Each act of kindness and ingenuity not only aided the troubled sea creatures but also earned Barbie steadfast allies in her quest. The once muted colors of the ocean began to rekindle, and the sea creatures, now reinvigorated by Barbie's compassion, eagerly lent their aid in her quest for the stolen sea pearl. Finally, at the heart of the ocean, concealed within an ancient, luminescent cavern, Barbie uncovered the lair of the mischievous sea witch, Octavia. With her cunning and arcane powers, Octavia had concealed the stolen sea pearl within a labyrinthine puzzle guarded by enigmatic and mystical sea creatures. Undeterred by the complexity of the puzzle and Octavia's bewitching challenges, Barbie utilized her unique gift to communicate with the creatures. Forming alliances and forging deep connections, she enlisted their help in unraveling the intricate puzzle, one cryptic piece at a time. With patience, unwavering determination, and the unwavering support of her newfound allies, Barbie pieced together the puzzle, unlocking the chamber that safeguarded the stolen sea pearl. As the puzzle fell into place, a surge of vibrant energy pulsed through the cavern, and the once faded colors of the ocean burst forth in a magnificent spectacle. The moment Barbie clasped the stolen sea pearl, a radiant cascade of light bathed the entire ocean, illuminating it with a breathtaking brilliance. It was a sign, a symbol of the ocean's magical essence restored. Grateful sea creatures, from the smallest minnows to the majestic whales, surrounded Barbie in a jubilant display of gratitude and joy. Grandpa Tidal, with a twinkle in his ancient eyes, commended her unparalleled bravery and selflessness. The dolphins, now infused with renewed vigor and energy, orchestrated a dance of jubilation, their playful leaps and spins filling the underwater realm with an infectious exuberance. The once troubled ocean transformed into a mesmerizing symphony of colors, melodies, and renewed vitality. With the magic restored and harmony returned to Azurea, Barbie bid farewell to her newfound friends and allies, promising to revisit and celebrate the boundless beauty of the underwater world. As she swam back to her mermaid companions, Barbie recounted tales of her breathtaking adventure, weaving a mesmerizing tapestry of courage, empathy, and resilience. The undersea world erupted into a grand celebration, a jubilant festival where sea creatures of every size and shape danced, sang, and rejoiced in the return of their magical home. The ocean gleamed with newfound vitality and enchantment, and Barbie's heart brimmed with immeasurable happiness. As the sun descended below the horizon, casting a warm, golden glow upon the now peaceful ocean, Barbie realized the profound lesson her journey had taught her. She understood that even in the face of daunting challenges, the power of friendship, courage, and kindness could conquer the deepest darkness. Barbie's tale of bravery and compassion spread far and wide throughout the undersea realm, becoming a timeless legend that inspired generations of sea creatures. Her legacy became a testament to the enduring spirit of unity and guardianship, ensuring that the magic of the ocean would forever flourish. Under the serene embrace of the moonlit sky, Barbie continued to swim alongside her companions, a guardian of the undersea world, ensuring that its enchanting magic would endure through the ages.
Like, share, and subscribe.